Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or connect to a Jan3 account on the Aqua Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet application on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, if you tap on settings at the bottom right corner, you will see the Jan3 account login section. Tap on the sign up button if you don't already have an account, and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address and complete the verification to confirm your identity. Then tap on continue, and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check the email that you have just entered to sign up, and you will find your login code. Just enter this code within the verification box and then tap on the verify button. Once your code has been verified, your Jan3 account will now be connected. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to connect your Jan3 account and sign up to it on the Aqua Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.